at SOS International. We've just done 2 new exciting apps and 2 new backend systems. One is for doing a video doctor. So if you're traveling abroad and you certainly need to talk to a doctor, you can have like a doctor in your pocket that you can have a video conversation with a doctor from your own country or in your own language. And the other one is a truly Nordic dispatching system for all our roadside assistance, so that we can get trucks out on the road to help our customers that need roadside assistance.
Okay. And what has these apps meant for your, both for your business but also for your customers? What are the benefits?
Actually, I think that this is the first applications that we are doing on top of our new Red Hat installation, which has been brand new to us, and it's all about getting the flexibility to service our customers, because our services is depending on the client's needs, and the clients have a lot of needs, and we have a lot of different service providers out there in our global network that we need to connect in valuable solutions to the customers. So these apps are just a way of introducing a new high-performance flexible platform that we can use to kind of push the right services to help our customers create value for their business.
Yeah, and have you gotten any feedback from your customers? I mean, do they appreciate the apps?
Yes, you could say that the one app is the internal app, so it just helps us internally dispatch the different trucks. Yeah. But the other one is actually from one of our largest insurance companies, and they're very happy, and there's a huge demand. We send out like 400 requests, and there's over 20,000 downloads at the moment, so it's spreading at a rapid rate. And I think that the interesting part of this is that not only is it coming as a result of a campaign, but also it's spreading afterwards. So it's kind of a word of mouth saying, oh, if you're going somewhere, you should really take your doctor in your pocket as well.
Yeah. And how's the work looked? I mean, what has been important through this whole development cycle for you to develop these apps?
I think that having focus on what what really creates value for your customers is absolutely paramount, because you don't understand the customer's business and the customer's value chain. You could just develop something that you think is cool, but it's not really of value to the client. So nailing it in front of, in terms of what the customers need is so important. That's why we are actually we are very interested in going into a very close dialogue with our customers, so we can provide them with all the information we have about what's going on in the assistance business, and helping out to find how can we make something that makes sense just for you to create value and execute on the part of the strategy that you think is important. So that's what we're looking at it.
Yeah. And what does Red Hat bring to the table, as it were? How are they helping you?
Well, Red Hat is an interesting organization in many ways. First of all, I would say that they have very good technical products, both in terms of their OpenStack, which we also introduced, and their OpenShift platform on top of that. Being able to containerize all of our services is very strategically important for us to get flexibility. The other part of Red Hat is actually their culture. They have a very, very interesting open culture that kind of facilitates a lot of dialogue, a lot of innovation, which is something that you really need to be able to build the capabilities in our company on how can we make sure that we are agile enough to be able to help our clients fast enough and in a way that they feel included in. So that's really some of the key takeaways from Red Hat in this.
Yeah, and going forward, what are you looking for now? You've developed these apps. Are you looking for new apps or developing these apps further, or?
I think we were in a massive hurry to do this, and we built this application just from going from December to March. So I think it was a world record in that. So we hurried a lot to do it because there was a market demands that we need to do. Yeah. But so right now we're kind of let the paint dry a little bit, but also we are now also in dialogue with our clients on how can we add further functionality in this, and how can we do more technically advanced integrations to our customers to also give back some of the knowledge we have in SOS back to our customers and partners.
Yeah. Well, Per Rasmussen, I wish you good luck and thank you for joining us.
Thank you very much.
Thank you.